Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So before starting with the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, The Medicos. Talking about the complications of diabetes, they are further of two types: acute complications and long-term complications. Talking about acute complication, now diabetic ketoacidosis due to severe insulin deficiency, it causes lipolysis of the adipose cells, releasing free fatty acids into the plasma, causing accumulation of the ketone bodies around the muscle cell. This accumulation further leads to problems like ketonuria and ketonemia, leading to clinical features like anorexia, customer respiration, thirsty and dehydrated person, polyuria, hypotension, tachycardia, hyperkalemia, and high blood sugar. Talking about the hyperosmolar hyperglycemic non-ketotic coma, it is due to the sustained hyperglycemic diuresis causing increased glycosuria, increased blood sugar and plasma osmolarity, leading to mortality rate which is high. Hypoglycemia occurs in patients with type 1 diabetes due to excessive administration of insulin or starvation or stress, producing an effect which is known as a Somoghi's effect or permanent brain damage and worsening of the diabetic control. Talking about the late complications of diabetes, we have atherosclerosis. Due to type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus, they accelerate the development of atherosclerosis. The contributory factors may be obesity, hyperlipidemia, or reduced HDL levels, leading to early onset of ill effects like coronary artery disease, myocardial infarct, cerebral stroke, or gangrene of the foot and the toes. Now, regular foot check is very important in case of gangrene. It may also cause chest pain, congestive heart failure, or dyspnea. Now, talking about diabetic nephropathy, diabetic nephropathy affects the renal system, leading to four types of lesions, which include diabetic glomerular sclerosis, vascular lesions, diabetic pyelonephritis or necrotizing renal papillitis. Now, pyelonephritis is the infection of the kidney and tubular lesions. Diabetic retinopathy. Now, due to high blood sugar, it blocks the supply of the blood to the retina, leading to problems like blindness. It also predisposes the patient to problems like cataract, glaucoma, or corneal ulcer. Talking about the diabetic neuropathy, now this affects all the parts of the nervous system due to accumulation of the sorbitol of fructose or due to thickening of the basement membrane of the nerves and the vessels, causing problem like segmental Talking about the diabetic microangiopathy, it leads to due to hyperglycemia, there is increased glycosylation, leading to thickening of the basement membranes of peripheral nerves, Bowman capsule, or renal tubules, causing loss of sensation. Talking about the cerebrovascular problems, like it causes hemorrhage, cerebral infarcts, or cerebral stroke, and memory loss. Infections such as tuberculosis, carbuncles, diabetic foot ulcers, etc. may occur. Talking about the diagnosis, in diagnosis, urine test is done to detect glycosuria. Now, it is also found in renal glycosuria. Talking about the ketonuria, now it may also be found in individual with vomiting or fasting. Fasting post lunch is done as a screening test for diabetes Type 2. Glucose tolerance test is a definitive test where blood glucose levels at fasting and 30 minutes intervals for at least 2 hours after ingestion of glucose load of 75 grams is done. It should be 60 to 110 mg per dl after 1 hour, less than 200 mg after 2 hours, and less than 140 mg after. Talking about the other tests, it includes blood tests. Okay, now glycosylated hemoglobin should be done, which should range normally from 4 to 7%. Other is HB, anemia or ESR. Talking about the renal function test, which is done to assess the impact of diabetic nephropathy, checking the albumin and the creatine levels. Liver function test, which is done to assess the protein concentration and the fatty liver. Then lipid profile test, which is done to assess the cardiac risk, because in diabetic person, okay, diabetes affects the lipid metabolism. Then you have urine routine for albumin. If